From Retune here with Tim's 1995 3000GT VR-4 with a full Seance kit, fresh bodywork and paint. It's been a few years since we've seen this car, and the last time I actually saw it was at the last West Coast Mitsubishi Owners Day 2018, I believe. So it's here for some work. Going to do a lot of transformation, upgrade for performance, maintenance, diagnostics, and so forth. AEM Series 2, FIC 1220s, AEM fuel pump, Pump-E85, pretty much the works. Going to remove the eManage Ultimate 550 Super Pump, but need to do this step by step with a plan. As you can see, looks like a typical BPU car under hood, going to speed density. But first things first is I need to pressure test, ensure that it's running well, find any issues before I add more variables. So address and fix the leaks, replace the leaking throttle body with a rebuilt one with mil-spec shaft seals, and any other little issues that come along the way. Do a booster line reduction, have them join together, clean up a bit, and then slowly do more. I'm going to adjust the clutch pedal with the Clutch Masters 850 Street twin disc, possibly bleed it more, and yeah, take it slowly, step by step, documenting along the way. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Alright, first test, adjust 5 vacuum boost leaks, as well as adjusted the clutch pedal free play for this Clutch Masters 850 Street, and disabled the clutch safety switch to save those thrust bearings, you know? If it doesn't fast idle high anymore, then I know it's back on track. If it idles low, then I probably adjusted the base too. Let's see. The right switch this time. Pump was good. Tim's 95 VR-4 AEM EMS Series 2. First startup on Pump-E85 with FIC 1220. This is 5 minutes of idling, 1000 RPM, 186 degrees Fahrenheit per AEM temps gauge, 172 per AEM with OEM sensor, 1000 RPM. This bow fan's doing really well. Wastegate pull. This twin clutch is pretty fun. So this is true boost turned off. Essentially a wastegate. 6 to 7 psi. that more on inclines.
Yeah.
Especially when you're on the 15 going up. So I've dealt with that before.
It's hearing it on your car a little bit, and I was trying to keep my
yeah.
RPM calm. I was trying to hit that sweet spot where it's like it's not trying to sit there and spool.
Different learning adjustment for driving.
Yeah.
It's a different throttle response. Like you'll drive around enough, you know, like not to lug it at this RPM. Like shit, not shit. Obviously it's not doing anything. This is gonna be like your cruising car in the sweet spot. 13s, maybe 14. I literally had to stop.
You know, I never shied away from the strong, stiff clutches because of drumming.
Yeah.
But this son of a bitch, like, oh my god. Is it this one?
Yeah. It's just been a while.
Yeah, like, so... it's so fucking hot. I can't, like, I'm way too...
That's that?
Way too, like, I have to have air. That's why I was just like, dude, I gotta have this fucking over.
Right? No, for sure.
Yeah.
Or you could just...
Yeah, I think that definitely is that's a true statement. This is the best it's ever been.
Oh yeah, for sure. I know.